For the newcomers, I thought I'll show you how to regrow mint. This is the mint I've harvested from my pot, fresh mint. So what you have to do is like choose thick stems like this. Okay, thick stems. Remove all the leaves. Except the top leaves. Okay, the top 2 or 3 leaves. Just remove all this and give a 45-degree cut at the bottom. Okay, a cut like this, and put it in a glass of water. See to it that 2 to 3 nodes. Okay, these are called nodes. See to it that 2 to 3 nodes are immersed in water. Now I will be adding some more water, immersed in water. Now I have put a few stems in water. Okay, so you can keep this near a windowsill where you get indirect sunlight, and keep changing. I change water every day. It is better to change water every day. Keep this near a windowsill. Okay. So this is the pot from which I harvested. Let's see the progress of the growth of the mint after harvesting also. Okay, so I've taken off most of the stems. Apart from this, I'll also show you how to use if you have excess mint. You know, however long we cannot store it for long in the fridge. They get decayed. So what I do is I just remove the leaves, or sometimes even the stems are tender. With this stem, I just spread it in a tray like this and keep it indoors only. Okay, I keep it in one corner in my kitchen, and they dry indoors. So once they dry, they become like this. Okay, so which I store it in a bottle, and this can be used at a later time when you don't have fresh mint available for some dishes. And this can also be crushed and used as topping, like how we use these Italian seasoning over pizza toppings. So whenever I make some stir fry with paneer, capsicum, etc., I use this as a I use this and all. Also, if you don't have fresh mint available, you can make use of this. It's more than a week now. Let's see how the mint has progressed. Can you see plenty of new leaves, new growth? Okay, so there's a lot of new growth in leaves, as well as can you see the roots being developed? Yeah, so now this can be planted in the soil and can be kept in shade until the plant starts to thrive, and then you can move it to a sunny spot, because mint thrives well in under the sun. So next we'll see how the plant has progressed, the ones from where we took the cuttings. Can you see how how it has started to regrow well? Actually, it is a bit droopy today because I didn't have time to water in the morning. I'll be watering in the evening. But mint grows better only when you keep harvesting. Okay, so now I can see plenty of new stems and new growths in the plant too. There is one more thing which I want to add. I told you about storing the mint leaves, right? I learned from Abdul sir one more thing, where like you can just powder this mint leaves. Okay, the dried mint, you can add it to the mixer. And add rock salt. Okay, rock salt along with it, and powder it well, and it can be used for brushing. It is one of the best natural tooth powders. So I learned this from Abdul sir. I wanted to convey it to all of you too. Okay, just try all this and let us know how you succeed.